Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I will be talking to you guys about a starter kit. Now I know you guys will be wondering, what is a starter kit? So I'm basically gonna show you, this is the box, and it basically has a little black machine where you can put different we could show you different types of hairstyles, and I was kind of trying it. I had like a wig, so I'm gonna show you like how I did the style. So it basically kind of does it like this, but you can actually do it with your natural hair. This is just a ponytail that I have a long time that I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what a starter kit looks like. Okay, so it's basically a little machine basically, and you can actually do like designs with your hair, like style. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to probably stand up and show you what it looks like. I don't think you guys can kind of see me, or I could sit like right here and bring this closer so maybe you could see me like this. So this is like a braid that I had in my head right now. So I'm going to basically put it in. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to put it at the end of the hair, like here. So give me a second till I get a piece. And then you basically, it's in. And then you're going to see it kind of turns it. Look. Wait, so let me see. Can you guys hear me? I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm going to make it turn now. So look what it does. Look. Uh-oh. It got jammed. Hold on a second. So it kind of got jammed, but I think because the hair is kind of coarse. But you can do this with your natural hair. So see, it kind of made a little, curl right there. Cause I think cause this hair is kind of not real hair. I'm gonna try it on the bottom and see if it will work. Let me see something. Let me know if y'all can hear me good. I have to say that in every video because I know you guys are gonna say you can't hear me. So I'm gonna hold it in my hand again, and it goes, and take it out. We don't want it to damage anything. And voila! So it made a little curl at the end. And yeah, this is a very good machine, but you have to make sure like if your hair is capable of doing it, because it's not really good with like dead ends and everything, because it will get damaged like it was doing a while ago. But yeah, I really love this machine. I was trying it out with one of my old ponytails, and they're amazing. This starter kit, I'll give it like a 10 out of 10. Let's see if it has a website. Maybe it does. Let me see if it has a website. I will put it in the description for you. Alright. They only have like an email, but I wanted to see if they had like a website. Okay. I don't know, but they have an email. They have an email like somewhere on the box. Okay, but I'm just gonna put Twist Secrets. That's what it's called. But I would say call it Starter Kit. But yeah, this is what this machine does, and I just really love it. It made some nice little curls. This hair is not the best quality for this. You wanna have nice, good ends to do it, but yeah. I remember I had a picture of myself actually with the braid. So let me see if I can find it and show you. Um, I'm gonna find it and show you. Cause I had it done on Saturday. So let me see if I can find it and show you it. It was so nice. Mm. Yes, this picture. So you see the braid right here? This is my own hair. On this braid right here, this one, not this side, but this one right here, there's like a braid at the front. This one right there. I used this actually. I had help using this, and it made a nice, beautiful braid with it. So if you are somebody that's wanna learn and you wanna have hairstyles done easier, like if you don't have no time, just use this Twist Secret Starter Kit. Very good. I don't see really no like website, but I'll just write the name of this so you guys can go and check it out. If you guys see the box, you guys can kind of check what this is, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like anything, comment down below what you like about this video, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.